Apple Watch SE specs and features. Say goodbye to the Series 3. The 2022 Apple Watch SE is now the cheapest smartwatch in Apple's lineup. In this video, we are going to talk about Apple Watch SE that proves you don't need the most expensive smartwatch to get a great experience. Before starting the video, make sure to like and subscribe our channel to enjoy more content. The $249 Apple Watch SE has most of the Apple Watch's most important features at a much lower price than the $400 Series 8. Which is why it's earned a CNET Editor's Choice Award. Design. The Apple Watch SE looks like a resurrected Apple Watch Series 4, with thicker bezels than those on the Apple Watch Series 8 and Apple Watch Series 7. The display size is 30% larger than the bygone Apple Watch Series 3s, which would make a significant difference if you're upgrading. The Apple Watch SE features an aluminum case in 3 colors: silver, midnight, and starlight. These are 3 of the 4 colors available for Apple Watch Series 8, if you were curious. Plus, the bottom casing is now made of nylon composite materials that are color matched to the bezel. Key specs and features. The Apple Watch SE's performance is noticeably sharper than the original Apple Watch SE's. It's been updated from the S5 chipset to the S8 chipset, which in theory provides the same responsiveness and reliable connectivity as the Apple Watch Series 8. It can count steps and monitor heart rate. As for safety features, the Apple Watch SE has the same offerings as the Apple Watch Series 8. In addition to existing tools like emergency SOS and fall detection, both watches come with a newer crash detection capability thanks to upgraded motion sensors in the watch. If your Apple Watch SE detects you're in a car crash, it can automatically call emergency services and notify your emergency contacts. watchOS 9. The Apple Watch SE is powered by watchOS 9. The latest software update that packs all the new watchOS 9 faces, support for the best Apple Watch apps, and other great feature updates such as slimline notifications, the medications app, and the upgraded workout interface. The new workout interface is probably one of the best watchOS 9 features, now showing both your heart rate zones and Apple Watch rings directly in the workout app. You could also use watch-based audio experiences with time to walk, time to run, and audio meditations. As was the case with the previous SE, the Apple Watch SE is the smartwatch Apple most closely associates with Family Setup. Family Setup lets you manage Apple Watch devices for family members who don't have their own iPhone, such as an older parent or child. In watchOS 9, Family Setup is upgraded to allow access to assigned HomeKit devices and virtual keys. Battery life. The Apple Watch SE battery life is rated for 18 hours, which is the same as the previous SE. But the new Apple Watch low power mode extends battery life by disabling power draining features until you get your device back on a charger. Low power mode limits the Apple Watch's sensors and turns off certain features, like the always-on display, automatic workout detection, and background heart rate measurements to preserve battery life. Apple says low power mode can extend the Apple Watch's battery life up to 36 hours for the Series 8 when its accompanying iPhone is present. At $250, the Apple Watch SE is a compelling choice if you don't want to spend $400 or more on a new Apple Watch. The new model is about $30 less expensive than the previous Watch SE, but $50 more than the Apple Watch Series 3, which used to be the cheapest watch in Apple's lineup. That extra $50 gets you a much faster processor, support for Apple's watchOS 9 software, a larger screen, fall detection, and more. So, the Apple Watch SE is the best choice for those who just want a smartwatch for receiving iPhone notifications on their wrist, tracking workouts and sleep, and using features like Apple Pay. The Apple Watch SE feels like a general-purpose smartwatch and fitness tracker, while flagship watches like the Series 8 are moving in a more health-centric direction. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe for more videos.